We've got bank robbers covering all the entrances, and an unknown number of hostages inside. Forced entry topside is ill-advised, so we are going in through the city drainage system. We'll cut through the subfloor in the network equipment room.
Officer down!
I said stay back, pigs!
I got a clean shot, awaiting confirmation. Let me take this bastard out.
Negative, stand down. We can't risk the packages.
See what happens when you don't listen? If our demands are not met within 2 hours, another hostage dies!
Get to the drainage entrance. Let's get this over with.
We need you down to the drainage tunnel. Get moving! Nearing the entry point.
Almost done! There it is! Okay, let's go! Assess the situation inside. When you radio for support, the assault element will move in. Good luck.
Be on the lookout for any infiltrators.
Taking over this place was a breeze.
Yeah, soon we'll all be rich.
Oh my goodness! Will you protect me, officer? There are more hostages to save.
Let's go. Please help the others! Let's get the hell out of here! Thank you. There's a woman in the vault. Get me out of here. You have to save the others!
Packages in the office area secure. Go after the...
Start unlocking the deposit boxes, lady.
No, I won't do it.
I said do it now. You want to die?
No, please, don't shoot
The vault
me.
is soundproof. You should be able to take him out without alerting the others.
I'm so scared. Will you protect me?
Hey, is that you? Damn rats. They keep making a racket. I think I heard something over there. Huh. Must have been the wind or something. Who's over there? I could have sworn I heard something. Oh well.
Thanks for saving me.
Packages in the employee area are secure. CNC, please advise.
Move into the main lobby without being detected, and radio for support after assessing the situation.
Please help us! There are 3 robbers holding hostages!
Roger that. Copy. 3 packages, 3 hostiles. Get ready for a firefight. We're coming in. All teams, we are go. Repeat, go status.
Moving in. In position. Ready. Go, go, go!
Eat this!
Packages are secure. Situation is under control. Good job. Let's get everybody out of here.